In the 1990s, the dawn of the Internet era, the World Wide Web was a unique, uncharted territory. It was the age of Web 1.0, a time when going online was seen as a solitary, separate experience from our social lives. During this period, Dr. Hwa A. Lim, then a program director of a supercomputer institute and a university faculty member, was experimenting with creating his first web pages. Fast forward to around 2002, the birth of Web 2.0 had begun, and Dr. Lim had moved on to the dynamic world of Silicon Valley. Web 2.0 brought the concept of community to the forefront, making it accessible, acceptable, and appealing to a broader audience. This shift in paradigm saw the rise of blogs, review sites, and social networking platforms, each requiring user-generated content to thrive. But not everyone needs to be an active participant. The beauty of Web 2.0 is that it allows for passive usage as well. One can simply use Yelp as an online Yellow Pages or browse through Dig without submitting or voting on stories. Web 2.0 is a world where content creators and consumers are all part of the same community. Dr. Lim believes that the true power of the web lies in the digitization of identity. This concept involves creating a comprehensive online representation of an individual, encompassing not just their likes and dislikes, but also the complex nuances that make up their essence. The ability to capture this could unlock powerful applications, from finding the perfect mate to landing the ideal job. The web could potentially understand you and your preferences better than ever before. In conclusion, the evolution of the Internet from Web 1.0 to Web 2.0 has been a journey of innovation, community building, and personalization. From its early days as a solitary experience to its current state as a community-driven platform, the web has continually evolved to meet the needs of its users. This journey has seen the rise of user-generated content, the digitization of media, and now, the digitization of identity. As we look forward to the future of the Internet, it's clear that community and personalization will continue to play a pivotal role.